Ever wondered what makes the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra AI stand out from the crowd? This device is much more than just a smartphone. It's a combination of advanced technology and stunning design that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology. Firstly, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra AI boasts an impressive display. Its dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, with a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, offers a vivid and immersive viewing experience. Every image and video is brought to life with striking clarity and vibrant colors. Secondly, the camera system is nothing short of extraordinary. This camera system allows for stunning photography, even in low-light conditions. Front camera ensures that your selfies look better than ever. Then, there's the device's performance. Powered by Samsung's own Exynos 2100 chipset, the Galaxy S24 Ultra AI offers smooth and efficient performance, even when running the most demanding of apps. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. But one of the standout features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra AI is its artificial intelligence capabilities. This smartphone uses AI to enhance every aspect of its operation, from optimizing battery life to improving camera performance. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra AI comes with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, providing all-day power. It also supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, ensuring that you're never left without power when you need it most. Finally, the device is also water and dust resistant, thanks to its IP68 rating. This means it can withstand being submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. A durable Gorilla Glass Victus covers the front and back, offering exceptional damage resistance. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra AI is a powerhouse of a smartphone. It offers an impressive display, a top-notch camera system, high-performance internals, advanced AI capabilities, a large battery, and durability features. It's a device that truly pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Do remember to subscribe to Gadgets Review channel for more updates on the latest and greatest in technology. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.